You want the water turned on? All right. All right. Say please.
Please.
Okay. If I turn it on, can you say thank you?
Please.
You're welcome. Now, can you keep the water? If you don't keep the water in the sink, Ethan, we're going to turn it off, okay? Keep it in the sink. Okay. Why is it draining? Keep it in the sink. Yes, you're a silly boy. This is for Daddy. Is that your cup? Is that orange? Can you say orange? Keep it in the sink. Where's the water? Water? Yeah. That's water. That's your cup. Water. You want to go night-night soon? You want to go night-night soon?
No.
Why not?
Okay.
You want to what? Really?
Open.
What do you want to do, though? What do you want to do?
Oh.
Where's Mama?
Mama.
Yeah, where's Mama?
Mama.
Can you yell for her? Go, Mama!
Mama.
All right, buddy. Can you say night-night? Can you say night-night to the camera?